after 7 decades of the Thansa, the move of the Ganamukti Parishad, now Pradyut Kishore Manikya of Tripura, they have also adopted this Thansa. That's why I am welcoming. At least they realized late better than never. But unfortunately, during last 7 decades, we have witnessed that Thansa was time and again. It was affected or disturbed, or it was even in different way. Its way of functioning was disturbed by the many elements. Very unfortunately, and I'm not blaming him, but there are some people, there are some organizations which marched with Tripura. They were the people who disturbed the effort of the Ganamukti Parishad's Thansa, the effort for the social upliftment. Today, these people are saying Thansa, so it is welcome. Now, while they are saying for the Thansa, now they have voted another slogan. Last 3 years ago or 4 years ago, we in state of Tripura, we have listened a slogan chanted by the IPFT, Tripura land.
Right.
And that Tripura land carving the border of the TTADC. We told that in our Indian constitution, it permits for bifurcation or trifurcation of any state, and it has happened during last 20 years. 3, 4, 5 states has been created. So our Indian constitution do not bar for bifurcation of any state, creation of a new state. But the creation of any state must have some noble objective.
Right.
And for that, there must be from political point of view, social point of view, and geographical point of view, and cultural point of view, there must have some potentiality. There must have some such logic there. But in the state of Tripura, yes, the Adivasi or indigenous people, once upon they are the majority in the state, and it is I am also being an indigenous people man. I also have same pain in my mind.
Right.
That why we are in comparison to the others, we are backward. So that reason should be countered. Why we are backward? Because of the apathy of the our national government, successive governments at the center. Either it is Congress, now BJP, all that. Policy has made us to this, and this backwardness will be to do that. So without fighting out that thing, so only by creating, by bifurcating, by alienating from others, any nation cannot be. So from that point of view, political, social, cultural, geographical, all together, we say that in Tripura, the bifurcation or creation of new state is not possible. What is possible? That the empowerment of the TTADC, which was also waged through a long way, that is waged by a long struggle. So if it has to be empowered, then constitution has to be amended. It is possible. Till today it is possible. Our democracy can do it. Constitution can do it. But IPFT, they coined the slogan, Tripura land. Initially, Pradyut Manikya Kishore not endorsed this idea. He also told for the empowerment IDC. But surprisingly, now today, he gave another slogan, Greater Tripura land.
Now, what must be the reason behind this?
No, nothing. It is nothing. It is only that the IPFT and BJP, they are in the power for last 3 years.
Yeah.
IPFT openly, vocally, and BJP from behind, silently. They promoted this slogan of the Tripura land. Because during last election campaign in 2018,
Hmm.
IPFT, their slogan was Tripura land.
Yeah.
And it was never countered by the
Hmm.
BJP. That is silently,
Hmm.
they have also promoted.
Yeah.
Now these 3 years,
Hmm.
the vision document,
Hmm.
IPFT Tripura land,
Hmm.
not a single promise
Hmm. Hmm.
has been implemented. So people are very much frustrated. IPFT has totally been bankrupt.
Okay.
All left them.
Hmm.
So Pradyut Kishore, now he again,
Hmm.
he changed the minds again.
Hmm. Hmm.
Who left the diversity politics, they again come back
Hmm.
and have seen that
Hmm.
this frustrated youth who
Hmm.
were earlier hankered after the Tripura land, now I can, in this troubled water,
Hmm.
there can be a good fishing.
Hmm.
So he made this slogan, revised slogan,
Hmm.
Greater Tripura land. And till today, we have not heard
Hmm.
any explanation.
Hmm.
What is the roadmap? What is the perception?
Hmm. Hmm.
How it can be conceived? Nothing we have heard. We heard something from Onivesh Debbarma recently, who joined in the Tripura and others. All the precarious, peculiar, ridiculous thing, all are there spelling out.
Hmm. Hmm.
So what my submission is that, yes, today there may be some good gathering. I have not heard yet. I am also in South Tripura,
Hmm.
because some emotion has been created. Some people will be there for the time being. But in long run,
Hmm.
Sadhin Tripura,
Hmm.
Tripura land, Greater Tripura land,
Hmm.
separate state
Hmm.
in our country,
Hmm.
it cannot be existed. It cannot be implemented,
Hmm.
and it cannot. This kind of idea,
Hmm.
it will not that is benefit to the
Hmm.
any section of the people, not only tribal, but any part of any section of the people.
Do you really think that Pradyut some way or other is trying to take a political mileage from the ruling BJP party by
Yes,
merging with the
very much,
IPFT?
very much, very much. That is very much. That is very much. Actually, earlier also and today also,
Hmm.
Mr. Pradyut Manikya Kishore has never spell out anything,
Hmm.
never said anything against the misrule of the BJP and IPFT.
Right.
He never said anything against the Modi government's anti-people, anti-tribal,
Hmm.
anti-pigeon,
Hmm.
and anti-youth policy. So how come this way?
Hmm.
Because the policy of the central government today, it is spoiling the faith of the each and every section of the population without
Hmm.
fighting against it, without spelling out the, how to say, bad thing of that. How come
Hmm.
you can give any kind of slogan, some emotion you may create, but in long run, what will do? Nothing. So nothing will yield. This proves
Hmm.
how both the parties, BJP and IPFT, is opportunist.
Okay.
They are opportunists. They don't have any ideology, any what will say principle,
Hmm.
because IPFT being a partner of the government, how come they join and sign the MOU with the other nation? And BJP also, after signing of that MOU, already 3-4 days has passed.
Yeah.
But till today, how they can exist in the cabinet? So both the party, they are opportunist, no principle, and they are only hankering after the power only the vested interest only. It is kind of the polygamy, political polygamy, total of the opportunism. And how this BJP also, till today, the chief minister, that is allow them to continue.
Right.
They should immediately leave. If they have little, even they have the least principle, they should resign from the cabinet and say this BJP government, their performance is, and their what they're doing in the state of Tripura is anti-people. So they should master that guards. And BJP also must have the guts that if you don't abide by the coalition dharma, you
Right.
should leave the cabinet. But they are not doing. So both the parties are opportunists.